Now I am going to discuss how to ledger posting from journal to ledger account. First, opening entry we have written in our journal book: cash account debit, stock account debit, debtors account debit, and machinery account debit to capital account or to sundry creditors account. So opening entry, write first cash account debit to balance BD, amount rupees 50,000, and next one stock account, same opening balance to balance BD, write 30,000. Next one RAM account debit, RAM also to balance, this is opening balance, right, must be brought down, brought forward, right, BD, RAM account 50,000, and machinery account rupees 60,000 to balance
machinery account.
BD 60,000. All are assets. Cash debit 50,000 to balance BD. Opening balance. Balance BD, it indicate the brought forward. This is the last year closing balance. This year current balance. BD indicate the opening balance 50,000. Cash account balance opening balance 50,000. Stock 30,000 opening balance. RAM 50,000 opening balance, and machinery 60,000 opening balance. Rajesh account, Rajesh our creditor, its credit balance amount rupees 30,000. By balance, it is credit balance. So by balance BD 30,000 in Rajesh account, and capital account also 60,000, right? By balance BD 1,60,000. Opening balance totally complete. Next one, sales account debit, মানে cash account debit to sales. Next, cash account debit to sales account. First entry in this year, current year, April 1st 2021. Cash account debit to sales rupees 7,000, and sales account, right, by cash. Sales account, where is sales account? Sales account here. Here's 7,000 debit, right here credit. By cash account 7,000. Next one, goods returned by RAM. Return inward account debit to RAM account, right? To RAM, return account debit to RAM account. Amount rupees 1,000, right? 1,000 here. And RAM account, where is RAM? Here RAM account, here debit, here credit. By return inward account 1,000. Next one, purchase goods from Rajesh. Joypur 10,000, but payment 9,000. Goods purchased from Rajesh account, here Rajesh account. Goods purchased from Rajesh, purchase account debit to Rajesh account. Purchase account debit to Rajesh account. Amount rupees 9,000. Amount rupees 9,000. But Rajesh account, where is Rajesh? Rajesh account here debit, that means here credit. By purchase account, amount rupees 9,000. Next one, bought goods from Rakesh account. Where is Rakesh? Rakesh account, here Rakesh account. Goods purchased from Rakesh, amount rupees 9,000 total. Rakesh purchase account debit 13,000 by purchase account 13,500. Purchase 13,500. Next, 2 discount allowed. 2 discount allowed account. No, sorry, 2 discount receipt account. Discount receipt account rupees 675. It is cash discount. 2 cash 5,130. 5,130 cash discount and cash receipt from Rakesh. Next one, discount receipt, here debit, here credit, now debit by Rakesh account. Rakesh account rupees 675. And next one, paid to Rakesh in full settlement of his account 38,600. Rakesh paid Rajesh in full settlement of due. Rajesh to cash account rupees 38,600 and to discount receipt account. Amount rupees 400. So post it to cash account, write by Rajesh account, amount rupees 38,600, and to check to discount receipt, write here by Rajesh. Here write Rajesh. First write Rakesh. It is Rajesh account. Amount rupees 400. Rakesh. And next one, drawing account debit to cash. Drawing account debit to cash account rupees 500. Drawing account debit rupees 500. Right here by drawing account 500. Here write cash, here write credit. Last entry, commission receipt. Commission receipt means cash account debit to commission account. Cash account debit to commission account. Amount rupees 2,000. And see here debit, right here credit. It should be credit on commission account by cash account rupees 2,000. This is the posting. Transaction recorded in journal is called the entry, and transaction recorded from journal to secondary ledger book is called the posting. This is the procedure of posting, how to post it, and it should be all the cases. Put date. I have not written date. Please put date, first year, next month, and next date at chronological order. According to sequence. But I repeat again. First, all the ledger complete like this. Date, particulars, journal folio. This is journal folio. Amount rupees, date, particulars, amount rupees. Similarly, all the ledger complete like this. According to like this. I have not fill up these two. You have to fill up all the ledgers and post it like this. One account debit to another account credit. Drawing here credit, drawing here debit, and purchase here credit, and purchase Rakesh account, purchase credit, and purchase account debit. Here purchase account. So where is purchase account debit? This debit not 9,000. Here also 9,000. 9,000 debit, 9,000 credit. Rakesh 13,000 and Rajesh 9,000. Rajesh 9,000, here credit, and purchase here debit 9,000. This is the ledger posting. Thank you.